One of my most favorite memories of Hef is a photo of him on his typewriter. Here we have Hef's typewriter. He was pretty young. I think it was right in the beginnings of the magazine. His original typewriter, HEF. We actually have that typewriter in the auction. This is his college typewriter. It is so iconic. It looks amazing. And inside of the lid, we have Hef, who signed it and wrote his address for the warranty. It's just so special and so iconic. There's a lot of history with this typewriter.